Hello, 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 Jumbo, Kusha. How y'all doing today? It's your girl, Hailey All again here. And today, I've been craving a little something sweet with calories, but I have some tweaks to it. So for those of you who want to eat banana bread without feeling guilty about the calories and all the sugary stuff, let's do this and have some fun. All right, let's get into it. Oh, by the way, if you're new to my channel, I want you to go on ahead and subscribe, click the button, and so that you get all my notifications. And I would like to say welcome to Heal the Bits All. This channel basically talks about being healthy with food, hair products, and just body regularly. And so this banana bread that we're going to be making today is purely vegan and organic, all healthy products. Okay, so eat the banana bread when you're done cooking and baking it and just enjoy. This one of the moments. Just have fun. Alright, so step one is we're going to take our bananas and we're going to mash it up. I think if you want a better product to make it really mushed, you're going to use a fork and just like beat it. Beat it so good. So actually, as you can see, because I'm only using 4 bananas, I'm trying to make a small portion just for me. So you can do it according to how you want it. You can double it up, but I will definitely post the ingredients with the measurements so you can tweak it according to however you want it. Oh, so by the way, if you have an overripe banana, instead of just throwing it away or wasting it, this is what you can do with that. Make banana bread, the vegan one. So our next step is we're going to take our flax seeds and we're going to mix it with water and we're going to let it sit for 5 minutes. Now notice that we're using the flax seeds instead of an egg or eggs because like I said, we're trying to go vegan and be all. So now I know we're going to mix our eggs in our normal baking and how it gives us the living look and the flavor, which you will not get here because we're using flax seeds instead of that. But hey, we want to do healthy, so let's do that. And next we're going to use organic coconut oil. Make sure, however, that you heat the oil first before you pour it in a bowl. If you notice, we're changing butter to organic coconut oil. Like I said, we want to be healthy, look good, yada yada, yada yada, blah blah. So after that, we're going to add some brown sugar to our oil and we're going to mix it to a really nice syrup. As you can see, it's going to be like a really nice coconut oil syrup. So in another bowl, we have mixed baking soda, cinnamon, salt, and to that bowl, I'm going to be adding vanilla extracts, some honey, and some milk. I'm going to pour all of that and then mix it all together. Once I mix it into that bowl, I'm going to add it to the coconut oil syrup and mix everything again. Oh, by the way, do not forget your flaxseed egg that we had mixed with water previously. And so this is the part where we're going to add our flaxseed egg into our mixture, and we're going to have our whisk, and we're going to whisk it up real good. We'll just whip it. Good mixture. So in a clean bowl, we're going to pour our banana mixture, and then after that we're going to add our flour, and then in addition to the flour we're going to pour our mixture that we've been whisking just now, all of it, and just whisk it all together. So this is the part as well, again, which it is optional for you. You can add your nuts, whatever nuts that you want to add, and chocolate chip. I don't even know why I'm adding that, but hey, I can't resist it. So I'm adding my chocolate chip to it, and my nuts, and all the other stuff that I'm saying we should use to go healthy. And then you can put it to bake in the oven. You're going to bake it for 50 minutes to about 1 hour, and under the temperature of 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Happy baking! Alright guys, so this is what it looks like after baking. But what you need to do is you need to put a fork in the center when you take it out, or you can dip a toothpick in the center of it and it should come out clean. If it does come out clean, it means it is properly baked. But if it's not, if it doesn't come out clean, that means it's not properly baked. So maybe you can put it back for an extra 10 minutes and cover with aluminum foil as to protect over browning of your banana bread. I hope you enjoy, as I'm about to enjoy mine. And this is our banana bread. The smell of it all. I can't wait to devour this. This looks very yummy. You can eat this with ice cream. Oh wait, maybe we shouldn't. We're trying to go healthy. But just get an unhealthy ice cream, anything healthy. I'm gonna eat it with ice cream anyway, so. Ha! Bon appetit!